Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, from past 1 month, many of my subscribers and other people from Telegram channel in LinkedIn, they are messaging me saying that, Krish, do you have a specific playlist? Probably you have started an end-to-end data science project completely from scratch and then probably completed till deployment, right? Then I asked him, are you following me probably from past 2 to 3 months, So are you seeing the specific videos? Because I had uploaded a lot of data science project, right? And then they say that no, Krish, I have not watched this particular playlist or I have not watched this specific project itself. Now, this is the reason, guys. I usually say that when you are probably subscribing my channel, please make sure that you keep the bell notification icon on, because all these videos I have specifically uploaded it. And the main reason of this particular videos is to be in sync with the real world industry projects that we specifically do in the company. The projects that I'm probably implementing, the tools that I'm actually using, CI/CD pipelines that I'm using, right? The reason that I'm using all these things are that to be in sync with the industry ready projects that we specifically do in the companies. And this is the feedback that I have specifically got from my subscribers, from the people who have already made the transition. So again, guys, if you don't know which playlist I'm actually talking about, which data science projects I'm talking about, here I'm going to give you the entire introduction about that particular playlist. And please, if you are familiar with machine learning, the prerequisite is that you need to know Python, you need to know machine learning, you need to know deep learning, right? If you know all these things, you are very much good to go ahead with this specific playlist. Now, this playlist, what I have actually done is that initially, see, I cannot just directly probably open an end-to-end data science project and give it you in entire one video. So what I had done is that initially when I started uploading the videos, I uploaded tutorial wise, tutorial 1, tutorial 2, tutorial 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. I went till 12 tutorial, and every tutorial I was uploading a part of code. And the best thing was that I was writing the code and then explaining the code then and there. So if you probably watch this video, you will also be able to implement it. All this project has been started with GitHub, the GitHub setup, then repository commits, all the environment setup, all the environment variables that needs to be created with proper project logging, basically the logging, exceptional handling feature, in probably creating a good structure of the project, how we specifically create in the companies. All those things are there. So here you can probably see in tutorial 1, I first of all started with GitHub and code setup. Then I went with probably project structure, logging and exceptional handling. In the third tutorial, we went with problem statement, ED and model training. Then in the fourth one, we implemented various components and modules like data ingestion implementation, then data transformation implementation, then model training and model evaluating components. So this is basically the entire life cycle of a data science project. So the first project that you will be able to see, this part by part, you will be able to see the implementation. Probably if you go through this, you will be able to understand each and everything. I've just not stopped there. When we have actually done the deployment, we have made sure that model hyperparameter tuning is also done, and then we created a Flask web app, or you can also go with Django. And then we did the deployment in AWS cloud using CI/CD pipelines. You'll be able to see over here. Then people were not satisfied with this. Then they said, go with GitHub Action also. So I had actually started this as a 7 days end-to-end project. It went to 12 days. Why? Because you all are requesting so many things like AWS cloud, Azure cloud with GitHub Action. Then you wanted in different things, like in EC2 instances, you probably wanted a SageMaker video. Okay, SageMaker video also I had probably uploaded just recently, So everything has basically been uploaded. So if you probably see this 12 tutorial, you will get an idea about how to probably implement an end-to-end machine learning project. And just by doing this, you take any example, let's say the data set is coming from a third-party API, you will be understanding what exactly is data ingestion, data transformation, all the other things. Right? That was the main aim of creating this specific playlist. And still, if you all have not seen that, I would suggest definitely go through this playlist and make sure that you click the bell icon. Then only you'll be able to understand, because I am regularly uploading this specific playlist with all the projects. Right? Then after tutorial 12, what many people had requested, please upload end-to-end deep learning project. So I went ahead with end-to-end deep learning project. Then they said, please upload MLOps, right? DVC pipeline, right? So I actually showed you that in this particular video, we have actually showed you that how you can implement a deep learning project using MLOps DVC pipeline. So if you see this, and this is a 3 hour 51 minutes video, right? Because till here we went step by step. And if you are able to implement till here, then all the projects will become easy. because later on we follow the same process. The tools that will be changing, the CI/CD pipelines that will be changing, the ML activities, the ML ops activities will change. That's it. That is the task of a machine learning engineer. So all these videos has been recorded in a way that you will be able to understand how does the real world industry work, projects work, right? So that tomorrow if you get placed in those companies, everybody will be able to work it out, right? And this is the feedback that I've got from the people who have made the transition into those companies, right? They are also still using the same project structure and they are probably implementing this. Now, not only that, we also went ahead with end-to-end NLP project. Again, here also, this was a request from your side. Then AWS SageMaker. Here you can see end-to-end machine learning project implementation using AWS SageMaker, because many people are saying that, Krish, in my companies, we are specifically using AWS SageMaker. Then here also you can see deep learning projects. Then I have also implemented LangChain and Chainlet. Basically, we have created some OpenAI applications. Now, all these things, why I am specifically doing, because as we go ahead, more complex projects will be coming up. The main aim of creating this projects playlist is specifically that now in the future, I will also be integrating, probably let's say I'm creating an end-to-end machine learning project. All the implementation will be same. The data ingestion, data transformation. In the model training, I will include an OpenAI API itself, and I may try to implement it, right? If I want fine tuning, I will try to do the fine tuning over there. So all this playlist, please make sure that, because this playlist is specifically for 2023, what are the developments that are going to happen? I am updating this specific playlist. So if you are going through this playlist, the end-to-end data science projects will get implemented in a better way. So please make sure that you follow this specific playlist, because there's still confusion from many people, right? So I know you don't watch each and every video that I upload, but at least guys, please make sure that you keep that bell icon on, because as soon as I upload, some videos may be really important for you, currently what you are specifically doing in the industry. So this is the entire playlist, and the playlist name that I've actually created is end-to-end data science playlist, get prepared with industry ready projects. Okay. And this is the pattern that we follow. And yes, do definitely request a lot of things. If you probably want some more additional things, please go ahead and write the comment in any of the video. I will be checking out the video, and parallelly, I will create that kind of playlist, videos or projects, and probably upload in this specific playlist, right? So this is the thing that I require. And yes, for the people who still don't know, this is it. And if you really want to share it with everyone, please go ahead and share it so that they get an idea that how a project is basically implemented. Here we are using everything, the entire life cycle of a data science project, ML ops, CI/CD pipeline, deployment, GitHub actions. Because if you just learn GitHub actions, you'll also be able to understand how the other tools also works, right? There are tools like GitLab, there are tools like SVN, Jenkins, all those things you'll be able to understand it. But here we have made those kind of generic implementation, right? So yes, this was it from my side, guys. Still, if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section of this particular video. I will provide the entire playlist link in the description. Again, understand the prerequisite is machine learning, Python, deep learning. That playlist is also there in my YouTube channel. You just go ahead and watch that, right? So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Take care. Bye-bye.